Alright, we're recording now. So, today, you guys all can see my stream, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's get into it. Starting off the day, I'm going to separate it because it's good to separate your session opens and closes. I do it on a different template right here, but I'll just do it right now. Monday, we went to Tuesday, Wednesday. Are you familiar with the, like, how price acts on certain days? I forgot what it was called. Not quarterly theory, but something else. Like Monday accumulation, Tuesday manipulation, Wednesday, Thursday expansion, Friday retracement. You familiar with that?
Uh-huh.
Slushy. You familiar with it? Weird. Okay. No response. This looks like low resistance liquidity right here. First thing I can spot over today. But I did get chopped up and I lost the funded today. So, going over that, I took this trade right here, the break of structure to the downside, retrace into this fair value gap. It didn't work because I got a bad entry. I got stopped out up here. I just exited the trade. But if I would have held on to this, there was hope. I could have taken it. But losses happen, especially in conditions like these. And I'll show you the manipulation that happened. Or was it ICT macros? You can see right here, during the macro times, we have obvious manipulation stopping people out. Even ICT traders, we probably would have been stopped if we move our stop to break even. Because if it goes down, takes out this low, most people stop the break even, wait for standard deviation to get hit, then they get tapped out, which manipulation on that part. Do you guys have any questions?
Nope.
Okay. There is a few trades I've seen people take going through Twitter. This was a good setup if you got out at this low-hanging fruit, which is just first low that was created, retrace back into it. And another concept. I'm gonna wait for Brody to get back because he needs to hear this. But low-hanging fruit, we take out this liquidity and yeah, set in chart colors. Chart colors, settings. Here we go. Symbol. This green, everything else is black. I'll screenshot it, put it in the Discord. And canvas, here's my canvas. The gray is just this one. There we go. I want to look for more examples because this right here looks like low resistance liquidity, but with our current market conditions, it's not good. You don't want to be trading in this. You did not want to be trading today, and I messed up. I told you guys, I'm glad I told you in the Discord to trade. Kind of mad that Brody did trade, but he still profited, and he learned. Just don't trade these conditions when markets just... You can obviously see we had a ton of chop, unpredictable moves. Market price action wasn't clean. It was still an expansion move, like I was expecting. We got our manipulation, the sweep up here, then our expansion. We can expect to take out this low tomorrow, create some more. Hopefully we get cleaner price action, maybe a sweep like this. Tapping down, start breaking structure, we take this low. Now, I want to see, we already know. We took out our standard deviation target today, or right when I got on the market. Projections, it was on the 15-minute, because I'm pretty sure this was a 15-minute sweep. Yeah. Forget about it. I'm still pretty bummed about losing that trade, but it's whatever. This is also a volume imbalance, because our new day opening gap, I don't remember which one. I'm kind of hazy right now, but you want to do the bodies of the candle. You can see how we tapped back into it. Consequent encroachment, we respected it, continued lower. And this right here is an ICT fair value gap, like right below the dealing range, right here. This is a fair value gap, which price will genuinely respect if we hop down to a lower time frame, draw it out properly from this high down to this low. You're gonna see price respected. This is right below the range. Come up, tap, go lower. Because I was reaction core content. Like your colors, let's see it. Yeah, your colors are nice. Your colors are nice. I just don't like the white background. I feel like that demolished my eyes, even though this one's gray. I wish I could have that though. Oh yeah, I am gonna do live trading tomorrow. I don't know if you guys want me to live stream it on YouTube, or if you want me to just record it and then just upload the entire trading what I see edited. I feel like that'd be better because I'm going over Top Step eval right now for 50K. I'm thinking I'm gonna pass it if I actually respect my rules. Right here. I'm down 284 on it today. That's nice. That's the chart colors I used to when I was in Tactical Traders Discord. Yeah, what's the top? I was in TGR's Discord, I was in Tactical Traders, I was in basically everyone's trading Discord, and I have notes on the ways they trade. Because some people, they want to catch cleaner moves like this right here. They want to catch it, hold it for the long term. This is on the 1 minute, but just pretend this is a 50 minute. They get the sweep, they enter off like a retracement right here. Yeah, retracement. Imagine there's a retracement. Their price comes up, they want a retracement. They want to target like the longer, bigger moves. And then there's people that want to get the smaller, like 1 minute time frame, choppier moves. Like this 1 minute liquidity sweep, they want to see a reaction. Just only on the 1 minute with ES paired up, and they want to see that sweep react, take profit up here. Like get the smaller moves, take partials. Yeah. So there's two ways. I don't know which style I want to adapt fully, because you take a bunch of partials, you move your stop to break even with a shorter time frame, and you go after the, what was it? You go after like the smaller take profits. You want to get gradual profit from your partials and stop to break even. You're basically, it's less risky. You size in heavier, but there's a higher chance of you getting stopped out. But it's more like the 100% moves, like this one right here. It is easy to get emotional. That's why I don't want to trade it, because they just trade. I'll show you an example real quick. I don't know what type of trader you are, Slushy, but this is what they do. Okay. We didn't close above. Alright, we got the reaction. Short this down to that low. Alright, we took it. Boom, let's take profit. Swap that low. Take some buys. Up. No, how much handles is this? 10 handle stop is what I see them using. Nope, they didn't get stopped on that 10 handles. Still didn't get stopped. Almost did, but they didn't get stopped. And that's their take profit. See how crazy that is? And this is a manipulation. You can't trade this. Market is not clean, see? But yeah, there's those two. We're just trading like one full-size NQ contract. Tomorrow, which one? You actually decide. Do you want me to go after easier to call out, bigger moves, or should I trade those smaller, higher leverage trades? Which one do you want me to do? Or I can give callouts for both. Big moves? I'll give callouts for the big moves. I'm going to keep that. I'm going to try trading the lower stuff, the smaller stuff. It just depends on price action, because you would have won in these conditions, trading the 1 minute. Even though it's really, really bad, if you were just patient, sat on your hands, and you didn't get caught up in these manipulated moves, you could just trade the 1 minute sweeps, which is what I see a lot of these people doing. Like, this had to be a sweep of some low. There's no way it's that clean. Yeah, this low right here. Then we continued higher. We did not take this high. Failure. There is something I'm not too familiar with. This is a rejection block right here. Rejection block. We didn't take this high. We failed to take the high. And we went above the body of the candle. The wick went above the body of the candle. And then we went lower. This could also be the consequent encroachment, which is another concept I went over of this high. Yeah, that is consequent encroachment. Do you see that? Yeah, you do. Fundeds are really nice. So, this high right here, this push higher, this manipulated high of the, what was it called? Not high of day, but high of this range. The consequent encroachment, we came up, tapped into it perfectly, which I know a lot, I've seen a bunch of people short these type of plays with really small stops, like 5 handle stops, and getting a ton of profit targeting low-hanging fruit like this. Not low-hanging fruit, but the previous low. And you see how they bank off stuff like this? If I was still trading on the funded, I 100% would have taken this play, but after I took that loss, I just got off. I quit. I didn't really quit. I just couldn't take any more trades. But how much handles is this? Oh, it's a 100 handle move. That's, you know how much 100 handles is, bro? Look at this. Imagine trading one size, one in QCon. Tap it. Okay, it doesn't want to tap it, but we'll go a little bit lower. 1K off one gun. You see how crazy that is? Almost 2K off this one play. And that's just from one contract. I don't care what funded account you are. If you're doing a 50K, and just please don't go over one mini. And have a tight stop, like 10 handles if you're gonna do that. Right here. Apex. Apex is a 70% off discount code. Look. You see my stream? Hopefully it's on my OBS too. Okay. Put it in the chat. Let me get it. 71% off coupon for 14 days. If you want to take some trades off my, what was it called? Analysis, or see how you learn, try passing as funded, this is the way to go. They have a activation fee though, if you do pass. But if you do pass, I'll cover it for you. Maybe. If you're promising, I'll cover it for you. There we go. So 70% off. Let's just say at 25. I want to see how much that would be. And you already know I can't do this by myself because I have a 0.3 GPA percent off. 47. What? No, that's okay. $42 for the funded. Just use half price resets too. They're the cheapest, and they actually do pay out people, but the rules are just ridiculous. But it's better than trading a demo. If you want to trade an eval, take actual trades, and potentially pass it, get the payout from it, it'll change you. I need more money, bro. This sucks. Out of everything I've made this past week, I got a 2K payout, and then I blew the account. That wasn't worth it. What's up, Anton? Do you have a question?
You lost 2K that you made?
No, I withdrew 2K. It's on its way. I could put it. I don't want to flex it, but I could. I'll show proof of it. But what was it? I blew that account today. Hard breach. Right after that, because my drawdown. Your trade's looking well though. He's trading Bitcoin with ICT concepts.
It's because I saw a drop.
Hop on the 1 minute real quick. Can you hop on the 1 minute?
Sure.
What's going on in general? 1 minute. Oh shoot. That down candle could be an order block, but I don't trade Bitcoin and I wouldn't trust it. Alright, oh, you're good, Slushy. I don't know what to go after. I wish Brody was here. I could pause it until he does, because I'm going to dump a bunch of value to him. Give me 1 second. Now, I'm back to recording. And what was it called? Brody is here to ask questions, and I'm going to teach him a new concept, which, you should know what premium and discount is, right?
Oh yeah, familiar with that.
Okay, so you mainly only want to be taking trades when you are in a premium range or a discount.
Oh wait.
Yeah, you should have learned this in TGR's course.
Yeah, I already did. Equilibrium.
Yep, equilibrium. Price likes to sit at equilibrium, but right here when we tapped right back into this, what was it called?
Short it.
Yeah, tap right back into discount after chopping underneath. We failed to take out, or failed to go into a premium 3 times, which 3 drives. Then we swept and continued higher, and we.
Isn't that low resistance liquidity on the bottom?
Where? Right, all this?
On the lows, on the 3 drives on the lows.
Oh yeah, this is also 3 drives because we swept. I wouldn't. This is kind of risky because you close below. You want to see a sweep more like this, but yeah, this is 3 drives, high resistance liquidity at the lows. I didn't even spot that. Nice work.
Oh, I said high resist or low resistance.
This? No, this is high resistance at the lows.
Wait, what's the difference again? What's low resistance?
This is low resistance liquidity right here. See all these insignificant
lows? Oh wait, yeah, it's on the top. Yeah.
So then we just violently take it. See how we just boom shot up, take it 2 minutes.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, that's low resistance liquidity. And this is high resistance. We take the highs, tap back into this. So you see this high of this range, right? This massive wick, and we reject this rejection wick.
Then there's an imbalance.
Yeah. Not only that, we have something called consequent encroachment of this wick. Right here. We went over this in our first call together, but I just want to recap on it. So most people, you see a wick like this at the high of the range, and we reject it, and we obviously.
I can't see the wick.
Really?
Yeah, I only see the box.
This right here.
Oh, wait, yeah, there we go. Now I see
Yeah,
it.
so this entire rejection right here. Tap back into it. We swept this high that we just created. This is also a liquidity sweep. It's just new high that gets tapped, and we reject lower. This
Mhm.
rejection lower is what we want to see. And
Isn't
Hmm?
mm, isn't that kind of an order block?
it would be considered an order block right here, yeah. But you'll be able to spot it in the future. This massive rejection wick, it is consequent encroachment, or the 0.5 of this. It's mean threshold, but this is a consequent encroachment of this wick.
Mm-hmm.
We tap back into it, and I saw someone take a trade off it today. It was literally, look, this is a stop right here, targeting this low, and it hit. See how crazy that is?
Low risk, high reward.
Very low risk. This is a 19 to 1 risk to reward. This is a, if you had one mini contract, this is a 2K win. I'm serious.
Can you put or fib retracement on that? Want to see what it looks like?
Yeah, this high to this low, or are you talking about standard deviation?
Oh, standard deviation. Yeah, sorry.
Standard deviation right here.
Pretty accurate at 4, yeah.
Pretty accurate, yeah, but it's
And
basically,
swept 5.
yeah, swept 5. And you can see that we actually, sometimes, I want to find an example for you, but we actually react differently to different levels of standard deviation.
Because I took a trade off of, I believe it was it earlier today? Was it my first trade?
Tell me what time you took the trade.
No, my second trade. It was my second trade. I took it off at 2.5.
Yeah, okay. You shouldn't be trading these conditions, by the way, because this is kind of bad. But
Yeah.
you still profited,
But if
right?
it's just going... Yeah. I hit my take profit. I'm 4 for 4 right now
4
on
for
all my
4.
trades.
That's good, that's what I like to hear. So, I think you should know this by now. We had Monday accumulation, Tuesday manipulation.
Tuesday manipulation.
I'm gonna drill this into your head. What happened Wednesday?
Oh. It was bearish, yeah. I forgot the word.
Expansion.
Wait, isn't that Friday? No, Friday's
Yeah,
retracement.
Friday's retracement. Honestly, if
And-
price action's bad tomorrow, like boom, 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 slow, like how it was, like really bad, we could just we could just hold shorts until we get to this sell side level. If we find a good retracement, we could start looking for a trade off this imbalance right here, higher time. Yeah, higher time frame plus this volume imbalance. This is what I'd be looking for. I would just set limits right here. Yeah.
I entered at 9:05, by the way. And I
905.
took my short.
Okay, let's go
PM.
over that real quick. Hopping on the 5 minute, let's go to 905.
Yes.
So you took it right here?
That does not.
Or was it
Oh,
before?
we're on different charts. I was on the NAS 100.
Yeah, this is the NAS 100.
Wait, what?
Did you take this short at like 1025?
Not. Let me share.
Share your screen, let's go over this. Oh, Slush is back. Welcome back, bro. Okay. Let's go over it.
I had 3 drives, and then
There's-
standard deviation, fair value gap, and then put 2.5 because of fair value gap.
Okay, wait, 5 minute. Wait, this was. Whoa. Let me find that. That was recent, right? I think that's happening right now.
Yeah, that's today.
Yeah, today. I'm gonna go to that one real quick. Because I did it. Weird. Okay. It did look like 3 drives, high resistance liquidity.
Yeah, that's it right there.
And what I liked. Did you notice this liquidity sweep plus this volume imbalance getting tapped into?
I did not notice a liquidity sweep actually.
Okay. That's something I want you to be able to spot. So you had this fair
The
value
first thing, yeah, the first thing I saw was the fair value gap, and then high resistance liquidity, and then put the standard deviation, and then shorted.
gap. Okay, because this is also a fair value gap right here. But this, on a higher time frame, this entire thing would just be a gap. Up here, so this is just a massive fair value gap. When we break out of it, this is what I'd consider an ICT fair value gap right here. Mainly because
Mhm.
when you get below this dealing range, when we form a fair value gap, that one is probably the most likely one to be respected. Like right outside of the dealing range, this one is going to get respected. Like this fair value gap, not entirely, but we do respect it to an extent, especially because you
Yeah.
have volatility. So it gets a bit weird.
I had a perfect breaker block today.
Actually,
Like
oh yeah,
it
you
played
showed-
really nice.
Yeah, but when was that?
This wasn't my first period class.
When was it? Breaker block. Yeah, I want to refine that too. So it was 10:25, 10:55 a.m. All right, I'm gonna go to that one 5 minute. Yeah, it was this one right here, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so we got the sweep, then we got a tracement. This is the trade I took a loss on today. Made me tilt.
Wait, did you go long?
I actually went short. It's just I got a bad entry.
Hmm.
Here's the breaker block, by the way. Go on the 1
Wait,
minute, hit the
so
wick.
what did I not include?
Okay, so
The
nothing much
wick.
here. This isn't low resistance liquidity. This was a sweep right here. Bro, how are you already becoming better than me? Nah. Probably sleep deprivation that got to me. Well, here's the breaker. You could obviously see the breaker got respected really well. Yeah, the breaker got respected
Hmm.
really well. We didn't even hop into the
Standard
bottom.
deviation works too.
Yeah, did you standard deviation the sweep right here? This thing?
No, I did not. I just checked that right now. It was very like it was spot on.
Really? Hold up.
Oh.
I'm doing this one right here.
Or wait,
Because you know it's supposed to be this high to this low of this entire move.
what's the high? Oh wait, yeah, I did mark the
High to
high.
low.
Would it be no, yeah, it'd be
You know, it gets
where'd the
confusing.
low be? What?
The low would either be this one or this one, but I just do this one because it's the entire move.
Hmm.
This would be the
Oh wait,
low.
yeah. It's a little bit different on your chart.
Yeah, because you're
'Cause
trading the US
different.
100 to get around the
Yeah.
full ass data fees. Okay, so this I should have scaled down the 1 minute because I saw that breaker, but I didn't think we'd respect it. And what was it?
Why so?
Because price action was really bad. I'll show you my macro thing right now. Look at this. Hop on the 5. Oh wait, we already are on the 5 minute. Look at all the manipulation we had today.
Hmm.
We stopped out a lot of traders, even me especially. But I saw this liquidity sweep breaker, market structure shift, retracement, and during the retracement, this is where my entry was going to be. I recorded it because I took it on the Top Step account, and then I stopped it. Like, I had a really tight stop because I wasn't in premium. I didn't want to take it because it wasn't in premium. I was going to wait for it to come into OTE right here, which it never did. So I forced an entry, came back up, stopped me.
Could you send me the settings for OT?
OTE? Yeah. I'll just screenshot it, put it in the Discord.
Thank you.
Oh shoot, I'm gonna good night, Slushy. Sleep well, we're gonna trade tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll look for. Hey, send me your what you think is gonna happen tomorrow. I'll be in class, but it's okay because
Okay. I feel
class is
like
pointless.
one thing I want to go over. Look at this real quick. What does this entire move down remind you of? What does all this remind you of?
High resistance liquidity on the bottom.
No, not that, but this right here. All of this.
Oh, look,
This
is that
looks
low
like
resistance
yeah, it
or
looks like
just straight bearish?
low
Straight
resistance
bearish.
liquidity. All these irrelevant highs right here. Kind of looks like we are setting up for a massive pump. Right when we take out this sell side level, we might pump up because this would be considered turtle soup because of this fair value gap.
Considered what? Can you say that one more time?
Turtle soup.
What is that exactly?
Honestly, there's like 20 different meanings to turtle soup. I just go by liquidity sweep with higher time frame PD array with low resistance liquidity or SMT, which I want to see the SMT. But soup conditions.
Oh, yeah. You said something was wrong with my high resistance liquidity.
Yeah, you want to go over that?
I was a little confused on that.
Okay, for high resistance liquidity, we want to see 3 consecutive sweeps. We didn't sweep.
Oh, it didn't sweep
Yeah,
a sec.
plus this one, we displaced higher. The initial pattern, though, the 3 guys continuing to push higher, you got the right aspect of us trying to go. Plus, what mainly caused it to go down, this was a good confluence because we kept failing to break higher. But what the main cause of it was this volume imbalance right here, equilibrium or consequent encroachment of it being respected, plus this liquidity sweep right here. Oh, shoot.
And the fair value gap on the bottom.
Which one?
The fair value gap right here, or for me at least. It's this tiny fair value gap.
No, this is that. No.
Wait, what?
No, I'm just saying, he found a good breaker. See? Bearish breaker, price moved lower, pushed up higher, swept liquidity, went lower.
Yeah, high, low, higher, high, lower, low. Place it right here. Taps back in bearish.
Yeah, so for the viewers, if they're still watching this sweep of this high, liquidity sweep right here, go lower, retrace, tap into the breaker, take that, have your stop outside of the breaker, boom, you go lower. That's perfect. Throw some standard deviation, slap that standard deviation on, and then you're good. Anton, do you have any questions?
I was
No.
gonna say, I don't think it's
Okay.
good. Dude, since I started going on calls with you, I say, hold on, I'll send or just go to our messages and like the difference, bro. It's crazy
What do you mean, like our
from
DMs?
setups. Or I'll just send it to, go to chat.
Yeah, shit. Oh yeah. I remember you just added all of it. You used to add in all that, what was it called? When I first saw you trading, I was kind of concerned because you just slapped on wherever you saw and waited for something to happen instead of calling out these clean moves at the bottom. Clean short, clean buy. That was amazing.
That was probably one of my best days.
100%. That was my best day too.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, I hopefully tomorrow will be good. Friday, I feel like everything's gonna fall in place because you see how this low resistance liquidity forms. If we continue to do that tomorrow, we just displace lower. Friday's retracement, we're gonna pump hard, hard and heavy.
Just how we like it.
Exactly. So let's see what we have.
Today is not the 15th.
Yeah, no, I'm just checking today. Oh no, wait, that's my bad.
Isn't today the 18th?
No, I have it open. I don't really check it that much. Okay, so tomorrow.
19. Oh my gosh.
Okay, that's not really something we want to see,
Bearish.
especially with Powell speaking at 12.
So that's 9.
Some people would trade that to get the volatility off of it, but unemployment claims pre-market. I like the volatility for pre-market news. I really like how we get volatility, like implied volatility. Gives me cleaner moves throughout the day. Price action might chop up because of Powell.
Yeah.
Because Powell blows the market.
Go to the 20th.
20th? Let's see what's on Friday. Nothing on Friday.
Oh, nothing.
Bro, we're gonna pump all day Friday.
So we'll go long.
Yeah, we'll
Make
see.
sure to call that out in the
Yeah,
Discord
make sure,
today.
because tomorrow we could just pump and then we could go lower. We don't know because of
Yeah.
Powell speaking. We don't know what could happen.
Because I think there's a possibility we're gonna. Where's the short-term high? Like, great in this area. Just break this and then Friday just pump lower. There's
Let
a
me see.
possibility.
I gotta start getting you on your own pre-market analysis, but first, just make sure you can take proper trades, identify setups, then we'll go over that. Because how long have I been teaching you for?
3.5 days ish.
3.5 days, and you're already doing good. Just, we gotta work on the discipline and patience next, because that's what makes or breaks traders.
What do you mean by discipline?
Because some
Like-
people would see this. My friend, one of my friends at school, he lost 700 on his funded today. His eval, I mean, he lost 700 on his eval because he couldn't be patient. Took one loss and he just tilted. And he's been trading for how long? Maybe like 7 months at this point. He's been trading and been studying, not much studying, but he just tilts. Anyone with good discipline, some trashy, what was it called? Kid that doesn't even do analysis pre-market, doesn't do these recap calls, they don't put an effort into studying. If they have better discipline and they stick to their strategy, they're going to be more profitable than you. That's how it is. Oh,
Like-
my bad.
My grade in school is like a 3.9, but like I don't really care about it.
Graduate high school,
Like,
bro. That's what I
yeah,
said, graduate
I
high
have
school.
for real. And then like I don't really need to listen because it works all easy.
What
in
about
my
college? What are your
freshman year.
plans for college?
I'm probably gonna go to college as a backup plan. I'm most likely gonna go to the Air Force Academy for their lifetime benefits and generational benefits. It's really good. And like just like their discounts and everything. Just experience in general.
There we go. You have your good setup for you. I want to start, what was it? Trading a lot more. Trade maybe like 150K accounts. That's
Well,
what
let me
start.
be honest with you. There's some guy near my house, or not my house, but near us. where me and Anton live, that he bought some $5 million house on a golf course in crypto, lost everything. And he's trying to remodel the house, so the house is in scraps, boarded up windows, and trying to sell it.
That's crazy. Those crypto millionaires can't manage their money. I'm sorry to say it, but a lot of those crypto millionaires, they become rich way too quick. They don't know how to save their money. It's bad. I've seen it happen
Like, I
a lot
had
too.
zero retirement for sure.
Yeah, it sucks. By the way, you see what this is right here? Oops. Then
Liquidity sweep.
consequent
Wait.
encroachment of this wick.
I didn't. Wait, where's the wig?
Oh, it's right down here. This little wick right here.
Oh, okay. I didn't see how long it was.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do this for fun.
Golden zone?
Hmm.
Is that what
Golden
that's
zone?
called?
No, I mean, yeah, it is golden zone. What was it? Okay, ICT calls it optimal trade entry. There we go. He calls it optimal trade entry. Let's run these highs. I'm entering. I say liquidity.
Or you want is wait, what's this on?
Huh? This is on NQ.
Well, yeah, but like, is this on your funded?
Oh no, paper. Don't,
Oh,
don't actually
paper.
take this. I'm just doing it because I want a little bit of content. I'll even chase it.
You're gonna have the subscription now.
Oh yeah,
Oh.
I already have the subscription.
Yo, wait, why is it? If you have 5 units or
This
5
is
things
yeah,
on.
this is 5 mini contracts. Each tick of a mini.
So how much is that?
Each tick, like one little tick. Yeah, you'll see it. See 2 ticks. How much was it for Nasdaq again? I forgot. I think it's like $2.50. No, it has to be more. Cause look at NQ.
Wait.
I'll place a trade on NQ real quick. Cause I think it's like $12.50 on NQ. Here, look at this.
A tick? No.
$15 a tick
Wait.
on NQ.
Oh, that's futures.
Yeah, futures. No, is that a tick or is that a handle? I'm not sure. I just execute. Okay, one handle is $15. I'm gonna just leave that in there. See how the paper trading account is doing. 2K.
Damn. How'd you get 2K? Cause like when I get that good trade I only got like 125 out of that.
Really?
Yeah.
I just enter these trades for fun over leverage. Like right now, if I'm feeling like
I honestly might be under leveraging because I only put in 1 every time.
it's good. No. Remove the dollar value. Either go with a million or 1. You don't want to get attached to it. Like the way you're supposed to be trading, the way I did it in the start. Look at this. What was it? Do not use this. This messes you up. Like it blows out your
Play sound?
eardrums. Yeah, ticks. I just did ticks. See this? You want to trade by ticks? That's 5 what's? I trade by 20 handles with 4 cons. Yeah, this is where my stuff would be. 80. Okay, so yeah, each tick is 0.25 on the Nasdaq. That's interesting.
But you think I should start putting in a little bit more now? Or just keep it at 1? Or just start like doing
Keep it at
2 or
1
like
now.
1.5?
How much is your account balance? Like how much are you doing it theoretically?
Dude, I want to move it down. I don't like how high it is.
Make more money through. Depends, because the trades you're taking. I was going over this earlier in the call. There's 2 models I've seen most traders take, like 2 ways of trading. I've seen most ICT traders. There's a lot of approaches. ICT has 81 PD arrays, a ton of models that you can trade. There's silver bullet. Some people they trade 1 NQ con. Like I'll go on replay real quick. They trade 1 NQ con based on like the lower time frame sweeps and stuff like that. Like sell side of the curve. We're inside this fair value gap. Let's just short it with 1 NQ con. And they make their money, take out that low. Boom, that's how they make their money. Just trading that, they take partials, stop to break even. Like the shorter, are more like scalpers. And then there's the people that want to hold trades for maybe like an hour, 2 hours, which would just enter short off this ghost right here, hold it to the bottom of that liquidity, regardless, like a higher stop loss.
Alright, there we go. We're starting fresh.
So
50K account.
50K account. Alright, let's go.
Just paper. And we'll see how we do. Because, dude, for fun, I entered, I think it was like 7 Bitcoin. And it was just going pumping bearish, and I lost like 3 grand off of it.
That's
It was only on paper, so it didn't really matter, but
yeah. Trade a lot of paper. I don't want you seeing a funded account until you profitable on paper. Maybe you could.
No, I was profitable on paper.
Okay. 1 month. 1 month of profitability, and I'll be happy.
No, I'm waiting. I'm waiting till at least March.
Okay, because what I want to show you right now, Apex Trading, they have a 71% off. They do 90% off sometimes too. They do a lot of 90% off for their funded accounts. So if you get tired of trading a
Sheesh.
demo, trade their funded accounts or their evals.
Wait, what's the difference between funded and
Eval.
eval?
Evaluation, you don't make money from your evaluation. So basically, on the eval, your profit goal, you have to make $3,000 with a trailing drawdown. So if you make 500 and you can lose on a 50K, that's 2,500. $57,500 you can lose. So if you make 500, your drawdown goes to 5,800. Like, it trails with you.
Hmm.
And without losing that much, you just have to be consistently profitable. That's about it. You don't have to worry about it. Hit 3K of your
Yep.
profit goal, and then you get funded. And on the funded account,
I
you get payouts from the money you make. Which, Apex's rules
see.
is... What is Apex rules?
I should have gone long when you did on that because it's just pumping a little bit right now.
Don't chase
Not
entries.
much,
That's
but-
another thing. Don't chase entries. Because once it's left...
Change it from
gone.
ticks, honestly.
Yeah, money. 5 cons. 60 USD.
Damn. Wait, how much is your? Oh, it's only $62. I thought that was
5 cons, but when you
625.
move over here, we're already up 105 with 1 NQ con. I want to start trading 1 Nasdaq because I'm live trading tomorrow. I'm gonna record it, go over it, and real-time analysis, real-time posting in the Discord what I see, taking my own separate trades and giving you guys like the better, more probable trades. Well, I take the lower probability trades with 1 NQ con, like higher size, less take profit, like 10, 20 handle take profit with 10 handle stop, like those shorter scalps, because I see other people doing those.
Mm.
It just depends on conditions tomorrow, because if we had clean moves like what we did Tuesday, like when we were both profiting, I wouldn't be scalping this. I'd be taking long-term trades with less leverage. Bit tighter stop. It just depends on my stop. It's fixed on my stop, basically. How much you're going with.
I want to buy data, but I don't know if it's worth it.
It's $5.
It's a lot of dollars.
I saw the 20s on your nightstand.
The one I tried to light on fire.
Yeah, the money you tried burning. It's not burning it. Put
It's
it
actually
in.
100. It's 100 in cash, stacked up.
Bro.
But I'm saving that for the funded.
Saving for the fund, bro. Okay, if you're still here asking good questions, next week I'll pay for it, okay? Pay for your data.
It's okay.
No, it's a deal.
Oh, okay.
Window capture device. Oh, I was worried. I thought my webcam was recording instead. Audio. I could have been demolishing everyone's ears. Yeah, we're good. I think that honestly concludes the recording.
You don't have to do that. It's okay.
Bro, it's $5. I just got a 2K payout. Relax.
$5 is a lot of dollars.
$5.
So I could trade. Wait, is it $5 monthly or just one-time purchase?
$5 monthly. CME. I think it's like $350.
Oh, that's a lot of
Let me go
dollars.
through it real quick.
It's a lot of dollars, Mantis.
Don't worry about it.
I could really make or break your bank account.
Make a break. Okay, futures.
Think about it.
You're about
if
to break it.
You didn't give me that $5. You could have got $5 Tree candies.
$5 tree. I don't. The Dollar Tree candies are spiked. I do not eat them anymore. Okay, so we trade CME, the CME group right here, 5 a month. Yeah.
10. Wait, what's that mean? 10-minute delay.
You're trading 10-minute delay because you can't afford the $5 a month.
Why do you have to put it that way?
I'm just trying to make sure you say yes to it because you're already doing good. You have potential. I'm gonna invest in you.
And then once I become profitable and I get my first pay, I buy your mentorship.
$5. Okay, yeah, pay for the mentorship. I'm gonna.
Dude, why is this
consistently
kid
profiting.
fucking... Yeah, I mean, obviously I'll show you.
Okay, So right now,
Because, bro, you show so much proof. You've sent me screenshots. You've screen recorded your bank account, bro.
every single
Or not
thing,
screen
yeah.
recorded. Like, yeah, I could have doxed you so hard already.
Yeah, I
Like,
lost everything.
I've seen everything.
Yeah, I don't really think there's much else I could show you. I'm gonna be as transparent as possible
What
with
is that?
everything. This right here is a fair
What about-
value gap above the IPDA
Wait.
dealing range. So
I'm retarded. Why did I call that? Oh, bro, I'm actually so sped. Why did I say order block? So if it gets respected, it's gonna go bullish.
it is already bullish. We're on an uptrend. One more concept I'm gonna go over is buy side and sell side of the curve. Just something I want you to watch out for. Cause
Buy side, sell side, what?
buy side, sell side of the curve.
Ah,
Which
I
it's really
see.
just the curves are where you want to look for longs or shorts. Here. Oh shoot, how's this working? This is buy side of the curve right here. Then we have sell side of the curve.
when it's
But
just
this is more like swing trader stuff. But when you want to start looking for the smaller stuff, you can obviously see right down here. We have sell side of the curve right here.
what does
It's so I'm just gonna do a straight lines. I'm not even gonna try getting fancy like that. So buy side of the curve going up, sell side of the curve overall.
sell side going
Yeah,
down?
so now we're gonna start moving into bearish territory. But on lower time frames, you can see buy side of the curve, sell side of the curve. For people that can see my webcam into this 41-minute long video, boom, buy side, I'm going into sell side. Then
Oh, you had your camera on this whole time?
then going up.
I think you guys should like and subscribe to Mantis.
They should. I don't think much people are gonna see it. Oh, we're going back down to break even. We're gonna lose everything. We don't have much else to talk about because I want to save.
Sell,
I'm
get
gonna go over
out.
your what was it called?
My trade?
No, I could go over your trades if you want, but I'm gonna wait until we have
I'm
more members
okay.
until I start unveiling the master concepts like IPDA, quarterly theory, the parabolic runs, SAR.
Want to teach me those in a private?
Maybe I might do them for free.
I'm interested.
Because parabolic runs, I've called some nasty moves, like absolutely insane explosive moves.
Don't show it on here. It's on your YouTube.
I know it's on the YouTube. Free sauce for everyone. It was this day right here when I had my best day. This was IPDA right here. Parabolic run. That's all I'm gonna say. Then you can
Liquidity sweep.
take this entire move right here, this entire 153 handle move from bottom to top. That's all I'm gonna say for now. You could call moves like that. And no, quarterly shift is probably my favorite because you literally know what the market's gonna do. It's like Enigma. Just higher time frame stuff. But saving all of that for a while. When you guys mature, when you're starting to take more profits, when you want to level it up, I'll teach you. But right now, stick with the basics, stick with what I taught you. Your strategy right now, don't risk much. I want you to be able to take losses. I want to see how you handle tilt losses. Because when you have a win streak like that, you might tilt. Who knows? Because you get into like this little headspace. Your mind just messes with you. Alright. I think that's it for today's recording.
Yeah, you went over a lot.
Yeah. I'm gonna
Even though I wasn't here for the first half.
Yeah, first half was kind of boring, but I went over some stuff with Anton and Slushy.
Was it just like basics? Or what?
Basics, yeah, I was just asking about the strat and stuff, and I went over a recap how I lost today.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a shame.
Never got that YouTube name.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, my YouTube?
Look. See.
Oh, I'm ending the recording. See you guys later.